What does League of Legends, a fitness dance party, and the most innovative companies in Taiwan have in common? They're all going to the very first Taiwan Expo in the USA. Welcome to the Voice of Taiwan Excellence. Hi everyone, I'm Morgan, and I'm so excited to be starting this podcast series with you, where we'll be getting a closer look at some of the best of Taiwan excellence. For those of you who don't know yet, Taiwan Excellence is a symbol of the most innovative Taiwanese products, an annual awards program hosted by TAITRA, the Taiwan External Trade Development Council. So, think of them as the Oscars of Taiwanese industry, a recognition of the best of the best. It's actually really cool to see all of the industries and products that have won the Taiwan Excellence Award over the years. I've seen everything from high-tech gaming gear to eco-friendly cups to life-saving health software. And you want to know the most exciting thing? Taiwan Excellence is going to be at the Taiwan Expo in Washington, D.C. from October 12th to the 14th. So this is the first year that the Taiwan Expo is coming to the U.S., and they've really outdone themselves. The expo showcases the best of Taiwan, from advanced technologies and innovations to the rich culture, vibrant arts, and amazing landscapes. It's divided into 10 pavilions. We've got 5G and smart city, smart vehicle, healthcare, Metaverse. I can't wait to see the VR that's going to be over there. That's going to be really cool. Culture, tourism, food. Another one of my favorite pavilions. I'm just going to say, can you imagine how wonderful it's going to smell there? Hold on. Marine ecotourism, Taiwan craft and design, and my personal favorite, Taiwan Excellence. If you can't make your way over to DC to check out all of the amazing exhibits, there will be a virtual exhibition where you can check out all of the exhibitors and learn more about the beautiful island of Taiwan. So the link is going to be in the description for everyone to check out if you want to, pause real quick and go look at that. So even if you are planning on going to the expo, the virtual exhibition is a great place to map out what you want to see or check out things that you've missed. But if we're talking about exhibits, we all know where the party is happening, the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion. So a little birdie told me that there are going to be a ton of awesome events happening and even more great prizes. So every product and brand that is going to exhibit at the pavilion has won the Taiwan Excellence Award. And these awards aren't handed out to just anyone. So to win, products have to score high in 4 categories: R&D, design, quality, and marketing. So the essence of the Taiwan Excellence spirit is that only innovation can bring about change for a better life. And all of the products that have won the Taiwan Excellence Award and are going to be on exhibit here at the Taiwan Expo totally exemplify that spirit. So this year, the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion has 5 exhibition areas. So it's got technology, esports, sports and leisure, intelligent fitness, and cycling. And some of these exhibits I really can't wait to jump on. So in the intelligent fitness exhibit, there are going to be these 2 immersive Metaverse experiences. So you can either choose the intelligent rower or a spinning bike and work out in virtual reality to beautiful, absolutely stunning 360-degree videos of Taiwan scenery. Think about it. I can't wait to bike through the Sun Moon Lake Loop or see the Tamsui Golden Coast Route. Those are going to be absolutely gorgeous. And for all of you fellow geeks out there, Taiwan Excellence has not forgotten you. I live for the esports exhibit. It's got so much cool stuff there. So, see, Taiwan is home to a bunch of super innovative and powerful gaming brands, and one of them, MSI, is providing a full package of equipment for a live stream 5v5 League of Legends tournament. Now, I don't typically play League of Legends. I prefer binge watching Arcane and cheering on teams at Worlds, but I am about to drag 4 of my friends to go and sign up and play because the prize for winning the tournament at the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion is a Gigabyte Aero OLED 15. So I am drooling over this gaming laptop. It's worth over $2,500 and has a 10% CPU performance increase over the last gen, plus 3 times the battery life. The graphics are pretty stellar to go along with the performance. It has like a killer graphics card and X-Rite Pantone color calibration certified. This thing looks prettier than real life. So if you've got a league team and are in the DC area, come sign up for the tournament. The link is also going to be in the description, so go check that out. Speaking of signing up for cool stuff at the pavilion, they're also having a dance party. So have you ever heard of DivaDance? They're the only dance experience for adults and are leading a special fitness dance party on October 13th, which will feature trendy Taiwanese dances and all your favorite songs. I love dancing, and combining it with this cardio-based fitness routine just sounds like a whole lot of fun. The link to the free class is also in the description, so it's going to be next to where you can sign up for the League of Legends tournament, and you can also see the virtual exhibition. So definitely go check that out. And I can't wait to see you all there. Just remember, hydrate or dihydrate. Bubble tea is like super refreshing, but bring a water bottle. We can go get tea at the food pavilion later. So over at the technology exhibit, we've got a bunch of really cool tech. Some of these products have just debuted and others haven't even really hit the US market yet. This is like a really cool preview into stuff to just, put on your wish list. For example, take Acer Peer. They're a subsidiary of Acer Group, which is one of the world's top ICT companies. And they've established themselves as a one-of-a-kind professional air solutions brand. At the expo, they're bringing a few things, but I wanted to take a closer look at the Acer Pure Cool 2-in-1 air circulator and purifier. So what I really liked about this one is that it can eliminate over 99% airborne bacteria, viruses, and all that other gunk in the air that like triggers my allergies. It with a 4-in-1 HEPA 13 filter. So it's a 2-in-1 with a 4-in-1 filter. Like, I'm about to ask this thing if it could do my taxes for me. The circulator fan on top of the purifier makes sure that the clear air has like 160-degree reach. Because what's the point of having an air purifier if you only can breathe huddled right next to it? I have a life, y'all. Now, we've touched on VR and the metaverse a little in this episode so far, and I've kind of been building up to it so we can talk about this really cool product from D-Link. Just for some background, D-Link makes all these smart home tech, Wi-Fi routers, IP camera, basically anything and everything you need to build a seamless and safe connection to the internet. And one of their newest products really just highlights the innovative steps D-Link is making to connect all your devices. So what I'm talking about is the VR AirBridge. Most virtual reality gear struggles with like the balance between high-speed connection, wires, and cost. So getting immersed in a game and then tripping over wires just sucks. I remember my first time wearing a headset that was connected to a computer. Beautiful visuals, but I was so scared of yanking the cord that I froze. And let me tell you, VR sickness is the weirdest opposite of motion sickness. Your body says it's moving when you aren't. It is incredibly disorienting. Not fun to say the least. Oh my God, it was so bad. I was sitting there and it was supposed to be a roller coaster, and I'm just stock still because I'm afraid of pulling on this expensive headset. And I was just, by the end of it, I just wanted to puke all of my guts out. So, D-Link's AirBridge is the most cost-effective solution for VR gamers dealing with limited space, cable clutter, signal loss, and connection drops. The AirBridge allows a MetaQuest 2 headset to make a direct Wi-Fi connection to your PC. It totally opens it up to a huge range of PC and VR games, and it's a sleek little USB that doesn't take up much room on your desk. There's no heavy equipment and has amazing connection, and you are completely wireless, so you don't have to worry about that at all. It's amazing. I love this little thing. Taiwan isn't just an amazing tech hub that produces powerhouse gaming PCs and inventive exercise machines like the Cycle Boxer from Lifespan. By the way, that's an exercise bike with an attached boxing pad. If you want to see it in action, follow us on Instagram. We'll be doing a special unboxing in November. Come over and see it. But anyway, one of the coolest products I've seen here in DC is a paper made from stone. You heard me. Paper from rocks. A Taiwan Excellence Award winner called I Am Stone developed the Rockbook notebooks. So the paper is really smooth and soft, plus it's totally waterproof. It's an amazing eco-friendly design that's durable, sustainable, and beautiful. If you're anything like me and have a stack of pristine notebooks that you just can't decide what could grace those precious pages, you'll love this thing. Beautiful. It's got like this beautiful marble cover on the soft cover. It's my new favorite notebook. And that's it for our special sneak peek into the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion at Taiwan Expo. There were so many innovative products, and I can't wait for all of you to see them, either here with us in DC or online at the virtual exhibition. So remember, all the links to sign up for the 5v5 League of Legends tournament and the fitness dance party are in the description. You can find us on Facebook at TaiwanExcellence.en and on Instagram and Twitter at TWExcellence_EN. There you can find more information about our award winners. Plus, we also hold contests and giveaways. Right now, we're actually having a race to 5K on Instagram, and we're super close to our goal. Once we hit 5,000 followers on Instagram, we'll give away a brand new Republic of Gamers Zephyr gaming laptop. If you haven't checked us out yet, go to Instagram and follow us. Thanks for listening to the Voice of Taiwan Excellence. Tune in next time when I get to list my dream Taiwan Excellence gift list. Bye-bye!